This is how you solder two wires together. Start by taking your wire strippers and strip back about 1/2 inch of insulation material from the end of each wire, exposing the copper strands underneath. With both wire ends stripped, you'll want to twist the wire strands together to keep them from fraying and make them easier to work with. Next, you'll take a little bit of heat shrink tubing and slide it over the ends of one of the wires, making sure to slide it far enough out of the way that it doesn't heat up while you're soldering. Then take your two wire ends and twist them together. You're not relying on this connection to securely hold the wires in place, simply to hold the wires together while you solder. Now take your solder and your soldering iron, and you'll want to heat the wires from underneath with the soldering iron, allowing the solder to flow through the wires from above. This ensures that you get up to temperature and that solder flows throughout the entire connection. Test the connection and then slide your heat shrink tubing over the exposed wires. Ideally, you'll use a heat gun or even a hair dryer, but you can also use a lighter to shrink the tubing. Just be careful not to apply too much direct heat to avoid melting the wires in the tubing. And that's it, a secure, solid connection.